While you are working, there will be distractions sometimes. While you are working, whether you're going to school, you're doing your madrasa, you're trying to obey Allah's commands and instructions, distractions come. Imagine I am doing hifl, I'm trying to memorize the Quran, and then a guy is playing games on the side and he says, come play with us. It's okay to play, but you need to play only for 1 hour. Only for how long? Check, all the older people don't agree with me, right? You need to play for how long? Come on guys, I can't hear those bass voices of the guys there at the back. The kids are saying 1 hour of each other, they don't even know what they're in for. It's the older people we're trying to get. You play for a limited time, 1 hour. That's enough. After that, what do? You go back to your work so that you don't lose focus. Because when you lose focus, you will not achieve in this world. Look at the people who have good jobs. Look at these teachers of yours. Look at the teachers of yours. They're called educators. Look at those who are around. They are here every day. Okay, sit down, no problem. MashaAllah. They are here every day, on time. Do you ever see them just sitting and playing games? They don't play. They are here because they are leaders. They are caring for you. They want you to learn. They want you to succeed. You might get a job and earn more than them. They don't mind, for as long as they've helped you get up there. I know some of my teachers who are not maybe as successful as I am from one angle, but they are more successful than I am from many other angles. So it doesn't mean that they did not do well because they didn't make more money, but they did very well because they cared for the rest of the people like you are being cared for and cared about right now. So don't allow distractions to come in the path of your journey to success. You want to succeed in the exams, you need to study. If you play too much, will you have time to study? If you play too much, will you have time to study? See the young, I'm really impressed actually by the little ones. But at the same time, I wonder, the older ones, is it the sun that's, or is it just the wind that's blowing your voice away in the other direction? Because I can't really hear you say you want to study. Subhanallah, may Allah protect all of us.